Okay, annyeonghaseyo Irene. Okay, so manang school? Okay. So your house material no is already here. Wow, munindot na inyong balay. Wala na ito inyong atop. No? Sige, sige. So I'm here to deliver. You have here 10 kilogram of rice and choco pie 2. Please receive in there. And that is from Dongjunim. Okay, bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo, Sinin.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so today I'm here to deliver 5,000 pesos for you. Okay, so that money will be used to finish your window. Pabutangan to ang ipa-close ang imong window ha. And also you will make tawag na divider bitaw, hanging cabinet siya, divider. Pero wala siya portahan, dili siya pareha cabinet nga naay door ha. Kuan ra siya kanang murag displayhanan lang ba diri sa padong atop. Diri sa imong bungbong tumoy. And then the extra money it's up to you. Duhay mong option. You will make a small cabinet sa ubos. Cabinet yun nga pwede siya masirado, or you will buy orokan. Okay, duha na imong option ha. Nya take a video na lang kung unsay mo hang mapili ha. Okay. Dongjunim.
Dongjunim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Mary Uma.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So today is Mary's birthday. So nasa sa school karon. Ano siya maabot?
Mga 4:30.
4:30. So you're here to prepare the birthday celebration for Mary. Yulhansal. Yes. Okay. So I'm here to deliver also Mary. She have 500 pesos for her birthday gift, and this 500 pesos is for buying cake. Okay. Please take a video na lang kung mapalit ang cake. Okay. That is from Dongjunim.
Annyeonghaseyo, Dongjunim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye bye.